Remember the horrifying case back in 2017 when someone poisoned 17 trees just because they were blocking hoardings in Bengaluru? 14 of them had died. Tree doctor Vijay Nishant tried his best to treat them. According to him, treating aciding is a highly challenging task as it is not easy to discover until its effect is shown on the tree. Nishant is Bengaluru's tree expert and a well-known tree doctor. There was no concept of tree doctor and I pioneered this in India, he shared. He grew up in Bengaluru at a time when rapid urbanization was taking place. Nishant has always been passionate about the movement and even as an engineering student, he would volunteer for environmental causes. But soon he realized that computer science was not his calling. He dropped out of engineering to become an environmental crusader. He realized that trees were being chopped off all over the city and there was no account of the number of trees being chopped. He understood the need for a tracking mechanism to be put in place. He, along with his friends, started Vriksha.com, an online tree mapping platform. He also started nurturing the trees he was mapping. He began treating plants that were poisoned with acid. People drill small holes in the trunk and pour acid, which then burns them from inside. To treat such trees, the acid and the residue have to be removed and the holes filled with medicines and covered in bandages. Now Nishant is at the forefront of the citizens' movement to save Hasarghatta, a grassland in the city and a biodiversity hotspot that is facing an increasing threat. He is also leading the fight against the proposed steel flyover, which has been revived after it was scrapped in 2016. Nishant is also training environmentalists and tree doctors for the future.